place to get baits?
Well, I have a group on Facebook. It's called the Fishing Flea Market. Right now there's 40,000 members, like 41,000 members on it. I started it last year, and it's really growing. So I got together with a buddy of mine, Tony Dorman, and we decided to turn it into a website. So it's actually in development right now. Pro Angler Hub is developing the page.
Right.
It's going to be similar to other buy and sell sites. The only difference is there won't be any posting fees. There'll be a small yearly membership fee, and then you can post whatever you want. Boats, salt and freshwater equipment. Right. There'll be new and used equipment on there. Auctions, buy, sell. Right now, like, people are using it on Facebook like crazy. Because it's so popular, I decided to turn it into a website. On Facebook, your products get lost in the mix. You know how things jump around.
Oh yeah.
So we wanted to make it, make it better for the people who are trying to buy and sell stuff. But the page will also have videos, instructional videos. Kind of hoping you guys will get together with us.
Oh, most definitely.
Put some instructional videos on there. Fishing tips, places to book a guide. Anything fishing. We're trying to make it like the one place to go where you can get all your fishing stuff.
That's awesome. So, a bunch of anglers in one place. Just and it's a great place too to pick up. I'm sure lures that they don't make no more. That maybe somebody has a stockpile of.
Yeah. There's a lot of that going on right now, out of discontinued baits and stuff. Yeah.
I know so many people that go crazy for these things. They find them on eBay. They buy everything they find, or it's sometimes just having that confidence in that lure that they don't make no more.
Right. Yeah, and people are really jumping on the page, so I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah, it's going to be good. We're trying to, we both fish, Tony and I.
Right.
So we're trying to make it really strictly where guys will go on there and just be like, wow. You know what I mean? So we're pumped. Pretty soon, the next couple of weeks or so, it should be ready to go.
And just like you said, people can list whatever, as long as it pertains to fishing. So boats, fishing tackle.
Sure, boats, tackle. Like I said, you can post pictures, get ask questions, get fishing tips, post pictures of your boats. We're gonna have giveaways every month.
Awesome.
From our sponsors are all getting together with us. So every month there'll be a monthly giveaway that'll be part of your membership. We're gonna have a big grand opening, big prize package. Some rods and other stuff. So
just give that address.
Yeah, it's going to be www.thefishingfleamarket.com.
Going shopping as soon as I get back to the...
You see, a lot of people get upset when you see the fish hook. Bass do not have nerve endings in their mouth, so they don't feel that, just so you know. Peter likes to freak out over that. There was a big thing, you saw that big thing on TV?
Still following the same pattern. We just moved across the lake with fish and structure, trying to fish and target that shoreline structure. We got a few little nibbles here.
Yeah, the wind picked up. It's getting a little chilly now.
Yes. Catching right here on the Z-Man chatterbait, the red bone color with the Z-Man diesel minnow as my trailer. Look at that. Look at that stretch. That pike did nothing to it. We're going to throw it right back out there. We're going to catch more of these guys. We're having a blast.
Oh yeah. There's a big old pickerel. Toothy critter. Looks like he was had a little accident. There he goes. Awesome.
Nice. And there's that spinnerbait again.
Yeah, that spinnerbait's been doing it.
It's been doing the job all day for you.
Yeah, that's a War Eagle. I think this is called a herring. I think they call it something herring. I'm not really sure the color. Oh, I just had another one on. Probably another pickerel. They hit him like that quick.
Again. Can't stay away from these guys, but
They're really fighting.
you're going after that worm.
Another one.
The other one falls victim. Here you go, Bill.
Oh, yes.
You gotta open it and then lock it.
There we go.
Fish grips. You need pliers?
Yeah. Is that the guy that was busting your frogs up?
He could be.
Whoa, easy there, fella.
Sorry, those fish grips, they come in handy for these big toothy critters. Haha! Keeping it real. Now, what bait are you using, Bill?
I'm using the Rivera to see bubble pop. In the ultralight dainty size. My favorite. Small.
I'll let you guys guess at home.
There you go.
There you go. Quick release. Pickerel are loving the spinnerbait and the River 2C spit and wah. Yeah, another pickerel. I see a pattern here.
Yeah.
And it's that spinnerbait again.
Showing off.
That pickerel bite is getting turned on.
Yeah, this one's been caught before. Nice fish. They do smell so bad.
Nothing like having some pickerel slime on you.
Yeah. Oh, you going there?
I love frog fishing. We're gonna get this guy. He's still on. He's still there.
Pickerel.
Oh, hey, they're biting. We're catching them. They're loving the River 2C spit and wah. Right? This look good to you? Check it out. Just let them go. Frog fishing. Can't get better than this.